Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix get rid of Reddit app. Or just click here on settings. Then you come here to this is window here or settings window. You just go down. Then you click here on apps and we come to this window here like you say. And we just go down here to looking for Reddit app here in this window. And you can always search for it and we will click here on Reddit and we come to next window here like you say. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and we go down. We click here on storage, then we come to storage window. Just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to fix that problem you have on your Reddit app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.